Jasmine Imperial and welcome back to another vlog. For today's video, I'm going to share you how happy I am kasi alam mo ba, after 6 years ko dito sa YouTube, I finally got my first PR package. And hindi pa nga siya galing sa YouTube kasi galing pa nga siya sa TikTok. Kasi yung video ko is nag-viral. Umabot siya ng 1.3 million views. Pero ngayon, nasa 2.4 million views na siya. And I'm so happy. Kasi ganun. But anyways, this is my first ever PR package from Shine Beauty. And yung package is may dalawang glutathione sunscreen. Ito ginagamit ko na siya. Ginagamit ko siya parang 2 weeks na or pa 2 weeks na. Ayun. Tapos, yung isa naman is hindi ko binubuksan kasi nga hindi pa siya ubos. And I'm so thankful na meron na akong sunscreen kasi nga tinatsagaan ko maubos yung tinta na sunscreen na minsan nabubuo sa face ko and minsan hindi ko talaga siya gusto pero inuubos ko lang talaga kasi nga sunscreen nga siya. Tapos ayun, ang ganda nito guys, yung review nito is coming up na pero this time I'll be showing you how happy I am to receive this package kasi it's so nice, it's so nakakatuwa, ng heart, nakakataba ng puso kasi finally I receive a PR package na pinapangarap ko lang very dati pa. Pero ngayon lang siya nangyari even if hindi man siya galing sa YouTube, even if galing man siya sa ibang app, but still I'm still thankful kasi finally, I have experience na maka-receive ng PR package. And hindi lang ito yung sinad nila. They also send me a collagen with vitamin C. Dalawa lang to. Tapos, nung chinek ko, nung una, akala ko lotion kasi malaki siya. Tapos, yung chinek ko yung price nito nasa 500 plus. And, tingnan nyo. Collagen siya with vitamin C, diba? So, it's so ganda. It's so ganda. Pero yung review nito is to be followed na. Pero yung pahapiyaw na muna, maganda tong collagen. Kasi alam niyo ba, medyo nag-glow ako dahil dito. Tapos, sobrang ganda rin since collagen na siya, pampaputi, may glutathione, tapos may vitamin C pa. So, parang all-in-one for 500 pesos lang, ganun. So, hindi ka nalugi, be. And ito din, sobrang mura kasi pahapiyaw lang din na review. Ang kinaganda kasi dito is wala siyang white cast, tapos madali siyang ma-absorb. Tapos alam niyo kung magkano lang to, 169 pesos. Sobrang mura for 50 ml. Kaya mas lalo akong naengganyo maging active sa TikTok kasi ganun pala, ayun. So parang gusto ko pa alam mo pag nasimulan mo na, parang gusto mo mag-continuous. And ayun na nga, naging active ako dito. Tapos sana mas marami pa, di ba? Hindi lang naman yung isa yung goal ko, sana mas marami pa, ganun. And what a dream come true. Still, I'm so happy. I really appreciate you, Shine Beauty. You're the best. Thank you for making me the happiest, small vlogger, small TikToker in this industry. I'm so happy na this happened to me. Sana this is not the end, and I hope there are still more PR packages na ma-receive ko in real soon. But for now, ito na muna, and I really like these products. Yung mga review nito coming up na sa mga following days kasi naka-vlogmas naman ako. So daily vlog ako at 6 PM. So sana panoorin nyo kahit ngayon lang, kahit this December lang. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this video kahit sobrang ikli lang or what. And again, Shine Beauty, thank you for sending me these packages. I really like it. I really appreciate it. And I hope this is not the end of the packages. This is not the end of the products. Pero to be honest, wala tong bayad. sinabi lang nila na itry ko, ganun. I am not obliged to promote them. I'm not obliged to do promotional video about them, but gusto ko lang as in return, appreciation din. Tapos parang in return of their kindness para sa akin as they make one of my dreams come true. So, ayun. Thank you so much again, Shaheen Beauty. I hope mas marami pang mag-send ng packages sa akin, and I hope in real soon, in the near future, maraming makipag-collab sa akin, ganun. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much again, Shaheen Beauty. You really made me happy. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching this vlog. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.